Hello, everyone, and welcome back to a new episode of Spice and Easy Kitchen. I hope you are all doing well, and today we are making crispy eggplant fingers. They bake beautifully in the oven, and last time I made them with eggs. This version of the eggplant fingers is made without eggs. Snoring sounds. I have 2 eggplants here, and I have removed the tops. Now I'll cut them in half. Then I'll slice them like this. I'll continue cutting them into this shape. I'll add a small spoonful of salt. Then I'll cover them with water and let them soak. I'll leave them for 20 minutes and place a cover on top. This keeps all the eggplant submerged under the water. I'll leave them like this for 20 minutes. I'll come back once the 20 minutes are over. Now I'll drain, rinse, and dry the eggplant. Then I'll continue with the next step. I'll place the eggplant fingers here and dry them well. Make sure they are completely dry. The water released from the eggplant became brown. That's the natural juice coming out from inside. Here I have 3 tablespoons of flour. I also have half a cup of water, about 100 milliliters. Here is 1 tablespoon of Italian herbs. If you don't have them, simply leave them out along with half a tablespoon of garlic powder. I'll also add a little salt and half a tablespoon of paprika. Now I'll mix all these ingredients together. Then I'll add the water. I'll keep stirring until I reach the right consistency. It shouldn't be too thin or too thick. This is exactly the consistency we're looking for. These measurements are accurate. Now I'll pour the mixture over the eggplant. I'll mix everything until every piece is evenly coated. Here I have toasted breadcrumbs. I'll coat each eggplant finger with the breadcrumbs. I'll repeat the process until everything is coated. Then I'll arrange them on a baking tray lined with paper. I'll lightly brush the paper with oil. After arranging them on the tray, I'll add a little more oil. A light coating is enough, and an oil spray works even better. Since I don't have one, I'll simply brush on a light layer. Just a thin coating is enough. I'll spread 2 tablespoons of oil over this batch. Now they'll go into a preheated 200-degree oven. Bake them for 25 to 30 minutes, then I'll show you the final result. Here's the finished result. The eggplant fingers are perfectly cooked and wonderfully crispy. They are deliciously crispy, so give this egg-free version a try. Mine took 30 minutes, and I flipped them over after 15 minutes. That helps both sides brown evenly. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Now I'll place them on the serving plate. Side. I'll garnish them with a little parsley if you like. You can also serve them with one of the sauces from my eggplant recipes. I've already shared several sauce recipes before. You can dip the eggplant into one of them, but I'll serve mine plain. Look how crispy they turned out. I hope you enjoy today's recipe and have fun making it. Enjoy your meal, and I'll see you in the next video.